How to fix Instagram can't add story to highlight problem. If you are having issue while posting a story to highlight, then this video is a search guide to help you out. The very first thing is make sure that you have updated version of Instagram application. To check that, you have to go through App Store on your device. Once you are on your App Store, on the searching bar, search for Instagram application. Then make sure that there is no any update now button. If you see update now button instead of open, then simply hit on that to update your latest version. Once you do that, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then on the top right you will see three lines. Tap on it and go through archive. Once you go through the archive, on the top right you will see three dots. Tap on it and go through settings. Once you go to the settings, there you will see save story to archive option. Make sure that it is toggled on. To post in the highlight, story needs to be saved in the archive. Once you do all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.